Today I'm going to show you how to make spicy sausage rolls. You will need 8 sausages or 500 grams of sausage meat, 500 grams of puff pastry, 1 egg, 1 teaspoon of hot chili powder, or if you're not quite a fan of too spicy, you can use 1 tablespoon of mild chili powder, 1 teaspoon of paprika, 1 teaspoon of cumin, and as an optional I use chili flakes. Firstly, if you are using sausages, you want to remove the meat from the casings and pop them in a bowl. Or if you're using sausage meat, just pop it in a bowl. Then to the sausage meat, you want to add your chili powder, your paprika and your ground cumin, and mix until it's really well combined. Then on a floured surface you want to roll out your puff pastry. You want to roll it out so it's a long rectangle. And then just cut the long rectangle in half, and this will give you 2 thin long tubes. Then line the sausage meat down the middle of each of your long rectangles of puff pastry, just making sure that you can fold over the puff pastry so you don't put too much meat in the middle. Then, having pre-beaten the egg, you just want to egg wash one side of each rectangle. Then fold over the pastry and push down. Then using a fork, just push down along that edge, and that will help to seal the edges, and also it makes it look quite nice. Then cut your sausage rolls into the sizes that you want. I quite like to go slightly larger, but you can do bite-sized pieces, you can do full size, whatever size you want to do. Then transfer these to a pre-lined baking tray with baking paper, and using the remaining egg, just egg wash the top of each sausage roll. And then if you are using your chili flakes, this is the optional. You can then just sprinkle these over the top of each sausage roll. Then bake in a preheated oven at gas mark 6, 200 degrees centigrade or 170 fan assisted for 30 to 35 minutes. And there you have it. That's how you make spicy sausage rolls.